I have finally got everything I need. No one said it was possible. I finally got that nether star. This nether star will be able to give me a power that no one else will be able to break anything in one hit, like you just saw there. I need 4 diamonds, 2 emeralds, and 2 nether bricks. I'm happy I made it a secret. Everyone wants to steal some other people's stuff. I'm so secret I can't even find my own entrance. Here it is. A secret crafter. Turn on and off the switches. Stand. Put diamonds in all corners. Put emeralds in the corners. Put netherbricks in these. And put another stone in the middle. Stand on top. Open it up and you should see a mastery gem. Mastery gem will give you unknown powers. Let's see what powers it will give me. Yes, I can fly away. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Hopefully you like that little intro there about a new series, Commands. Commands will be able for some learning, and also we'll have a cool little secret, a cool little funny intro to every single video. As you see, the middle has an iron one, a gold, a coal, and a quartz. Cool. I mean, as you can see, I'm at 0, right now. The iron is going positive X. This one is going positive Y or Z, I don't remember. But I don't think it's Z because Z is like up and down. This is going Y, positive Y. This one going negative Y. This one going negative X. Iron and gold are opposites, as you can see that. I mean, iron and coal are opposites, and quartz and gold are opposites, but these two are opposites of the coordinates X and Y, and these are X and Y opposites too. There's the black and white one, the no color zone, and then the color zone. The color zone is more colorful and stuff, and now I will tell you why I picked the iron one for first, because that's how we get in a level. Now what you're going to need is, turn off the corner, is a dispenser. You can name it whatever you like, and that's all the stuff you need. And all the stuff you need is items you want to play, but we will get those later. And in the command block section, you will need a repeating command block, repeating command of always active on, the chain command blocks, which is conditional and always active on top of the repeating, and one more thing, a normal command block. Other items you will need is redstone torch, redstone block, redstone torch, or redstone torch and a redstone, just anything to activate a command block. I'm going to use redstone block. The first thing you need to do is make your craft recipe. Actually, yeah, I'm going to make a craft recipe. You don't have to make the same as that craft recipe I am. I'm just making my own. I'm going to do making a blaze rod. I'm going to say you're going to use. Actually, what do I want to make? Good. One second, guys. I'm going to go find out what Okay, I decided to take a glowstone, dust, sugar, gunpowder, and redstone, plus a diamond will equal something magical. So, the first thing we're going to need to do, take our normal command block and place it on, this is our second thing, you place it on top by shift clicking. Now underneath it you have to make your crafting recipe. I'm going to say I'm going to put a diamond there, redstone there, gunpowder there. And actually, I'm gonna put colors up here and the non-colors down here, just like our little thing over here. See? So wait, no. How does the cursor? Okay, whatever. Doesn't matter. This is what I want. Okay, now down in the description, you will see where's all the craftings go? Oh, right in here. All these things will be in the description. Take the one that says repeat under it and select it, and then go Control C. Now you have that. You gotta go back to your Minecraft world. Actually, no, and go to the repeating command block and paste that into here. Then you're gonna go back to the here and copy the one that says chain under it. Now you bet you know what that one does. You go to the chain command block and place that into one. And the final thing is going to the one that says normal the wrong way, because I don't know how to spell normal. And copy that one. And there's just two things. This notepad will be in the description, or I'll just copy this and put it in the description. I don't know. Now you go to your normal command block and paste that into there. Now you're gonna want to copy these commands by clicking Control and then middle clicking all of these command blocks. Now they have MBT dialog, means whenever you place this down, the code will be inside of it. Now, what you're going to do is take the block data one, the normal one, and put a redstone block right next to it and then delete it. Now see all of this down here? You want to click Control A and then click Control C a couple times in case it doesn't copy. And you can delete that command block. We're going to need it again later. You go to repeating command block, space, and Control V, because you copied the data from that command block. Now you're going to just keep on going until you get to coordinates, like these, right next to items, yeah, and delete that completely. You don't want that. It's going to ruin the command. And also where it says the data tag do not change, delete all of that until you get to the little swirly line of items gets the closest to the Spencer one. You click. You do not put a W there. You click done. Now you're done with the first one. Now take out all your items, and now you get to make your own item, or you have found a way to make it like a saddle or something. Now what you're going to do is, if you want to make your own item, which is the best part of this, you can make any item you can name whatever you want. You can put enchantments on it, place it on the anvil, and grab what you want. I'm going to grab a diamond. Then go to here, place it in there, and name it whatever you want. I'm going to call it packed powder. And actually, I'm going to name the packed powder into this one instead. Oh, this is power. Oops. Powder. Packed powder. There you go. Now this one is going to be packed powder clean. There you go. I think that's how you spell clean. It doesn't matter. And I'm going to do all the enchantments again so you can know what to do. And also I'm going to do sharp. It should be at the bottom. Yeah, sharpness. I'm going to take sharpness 2 and place it right there, and then take the packed powder clean and shine it up a little. Okay? Well, I'm going to put that over there for the side. Okay, when we do it again. Time, set, day. There's also another thing you want to do so you don't get spammed in the chat when you make it. Type in game rule command block output F, and then click tab, and then it says false. And I click enter, and then that happens. Then you type in game rule due day late equal false. That's just for me because I'm going to use this world a lot and I don't want it to turn nighttime while I'm doing my videos. You don't have to do that. Now I got my packed powder done. I place it in the middle or wherever you want to put it. I'm going to put it in the middle because that's the best. Then you take your MPT data normal block and place it back on top because it already has your data in there. If it doesn't, you just have to copy again and try again by clicking Control middle click. Now, you can put the redstone block if you didn't see that. Copy this, delete it, go to the chain command block, chain continuous always active command block, and paste it in. The same thing, you have to look for the coordinates, delete those completely. There's no more coordinates left, and then you click data change. Did not change. If you didn't notice, you have to delete the time. This is actually the time right now, which is pretty cool. No, it's not. Actually, yes, it is. I copied it 1 minute ago. If you didn't know what I said, and I don't know what the 23 means, so we're just gonna click done. There you go. That's seriously it. That's all you have to do. Now, the reason why I standed on top of it before, if you didn't notice that, because if you don't, it will not work. Let me show you. If I don't stand on top of it and put the stuff in, I forgot how it went. There was this here, this here, this here, this here. And as you can see, it's not working because I don't forget the order. Yep, there you go. Now you got a packed powder. Now a smart thing to do is take 2 different colored woods, but I just like doing that because it looks prettier. Taking 2 different kinds of woods and then putting right next to it the crafting recipe. Like this. Then you take your item frames, place them all over the crafting grid, and then take your diamond or whatever you used and place them in the right order. And remember, the sugar was here, that there, and then glowstone there, and then redstone there, right? Stand on top of it, stop running. Boop. Bap, beep, boop, bop. Nope, did it wrong. Give me this, give me that. And let's redo that. I already forgot. Do you remember, guys? Was it like this? Definitely, I remember the ghost not being there. And that's it. Let's do it again because you can do it multiple times. But this time, I'm not going to copy any of the commands. This is just another one in case you remember. Click overview right now. Place down repeating block. On top, place down chain block. Make sure repeating and always active is on, and chain and conditional and always active is on the top one. Then pick your crafting recipe. I'm going to put packed powder and a bucket of water underneath. Then you take your command block with your MPT data, power it, then copy data. Go to repeating command block. Paste it in there. Delete the chords. And then delete the data tag did not change. Click done. Now you're done. Now take out both and put what you get. If you use something like a water bucket, it's nice to put the normal bucket back into there. Now take that anvil, wherever that is. Where is it? Anvil. And name what you want to. Like that. Perfect. There you go. Now add any enchantments if you need to. Easy. Now go to here and put the diamond or whatever item you want to in the middle or anywhere you want to. This is what I want it to look like after you craft it. Now take it, your in between normal and command block again, power it again, and grab the chords. Actually grab it. Don't just delete it on accident. Then go to the magical chain conditional and always active block and paste yours in there. If you didn't know how, Control V is the answer. Don't forget to delete the coordinates and the data that did not change. That's going to be bad. It's not going to work at all. And that's it. You just have to click done and you should be done. Now it's time to tell you what we have made today. What we have made today. We have learned how to make your own crafting recipes with just 2 command blocks. And how to make and tell you how to use to tell you how important it is to put an empty water bucket just so it doesn't, so whoever's playing doesn't get mad at you. Also, make sure to write down all your crafting recipes so you do not forget, because that will be bad. Also, you cannot stack craft. You can't stack craft, or it will not work. Like this. Powder. Also, place nothing in empty areas, or it will destroy it. Like I just did. See? See? It still works even though there is more items. Whenever you name the item will still be named when it's in that item, so it doesn't just look plain like plain O stone. That's all we had to learn today. Hopefully you learned something, because the whole entire video was made about learning. Goodbye. Put your hands up. Put it upside down. Thumbs down is too bad while not leaving it up. That's a like in. Try to get 100. Goodbye.